Good girl.
Hey, what are you doing?
Come here.
What's going on?
Say hi. Hi. So we're eating some oatmeal and pears. He's pretty good. Good girl. Good girl. What a big bite. Yay, Stella. Say, Dada, that's good oatmeal. Good stuff. Hey. 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 Oh, you're sideways. There we go.
Good girl.